In this video, we're going to dive into sources and how to use multiple sources. The main thing to understand with sources is a high quality source leads to high quality outputs. Garbage in, garbage out. And here are the type of sources you can add. You can add any topic here as a text source, or you can paste in text from a website. For example, this website can't be scraped. It's not publicly accessible by scrapers. If you try to add this website as an article, okay, you can click on each source to see what was actually scraped. So when you try to add a website and this is the result, this means that Blotato is unfortunately unable to scrape that article. But as a workaround, you can just copy paste the text from the article like this and paste it as a text source instead. So that's a workaround when a website is inaccessible to scrapers. In addition to text sources, you can add YouTube videos, TikTok videos. This also integrates with Perplexity, so you can type any prompt here and Perplexity will research the web. If you have podcasts or meeting recordings you want to create content out of, you just upload them here. And if you have PDFs or ebooks, you can upload them here. So let's try this article, this pasted article. Okay. And then let's find a similar source around Gemini 2.0. I'm searching YouTube here for Gemini 2.0 PDF parsing. This one looks pretty relevant. Watch Gemini 2.0 Flash digest an entire legal library. I'm going to add it as a new source here, YouTube. So now Blotato will be pulling from both of these sources to generate a post. If you want to include these links in your post, just toggle include references. And now let's say we want to make a LinkedIn post. Here are the two generated LinkedIn posts, and both of these drafts were written using information from both of these sources. And you can toggle sources on or off. If I decide to toggle this source off, now the next post I generate is only going to use the first source. So now if I create another LinkedIn post, it's only going to use this source, the YouTube video, because it's enabled. You can actually tell because this information here, 6,000 pages per dollar, this was present only in this second source over here that's turned off. And now if you go to the new post we created with the YouTube video, it doesn't mention that information at all. One of the advanced things you can do with sources is apply custom instructions. This pre-processes each source before they're combined together to write your final draft. For example, if I say extract the most shocking statements and numeric figures, this will apply only to this source. You can open it up again and see this is going to be the actual text content used in the final prompt. And it extracted the most surprising, shocking things as well as any numeric figures. And you can put anything here in the custom instruction. You could say summarize the top 5 key insights, technical audience. Click updates, and then Blotato will apply that prompt just to this source so that your drafts are written with this YouTube video transcript and then this summarization of the key points of your second source. This is a way to kind of clean up if you have a lot of different sources, which information should be prioritized from each source in order to write your draft social media posts. You might have a 3-hour long YouTube video, but only a 20-minute segment of that video is actually relevant content. You're going to get much better quality outputs if you clean up the data you're feeding in. Again, it's garbage in, garbage out. Higher quality your sources, the higher quality your output will be.